If your Hyundai Palisade keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection during your commute, here is how to fix it in 3 simple steps. Data shows that 80% of infotainment disconnects are caused by worn-out cables or debris inside the charging port. Let us start by isolating the root cause. Start by testing a new high-quality cable, cleaning out your phone port, and confirming your iPhone is fully updated. If the hardware is fine, delete the device from your Palisade and perform a fresh pairing to reset the Bluetooth handshake. Also, check for official Hyundai head unit firmware updates and ensure no background apps are interfering with the signal. Most users find relief at home, but if the problem persists, the USB data module itself may require professional replacement. This chart shows that cables remain the overwhelming culprit, while actual hardware failures are statistically rare. If you still have issues, try a different phone to isolate the device, or talk to your dealer about specific technical bulletins. Keep a high-quality data cable and a non-conductive pick in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, your connection is only as strong as that tiny cable connecting your phone to the car. If these steps fixed your Palisade CarPlay, hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.